What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And if you guys didn't see my live stream over on my Ron's Rides news channel of the new Maserati MC20, well, I was freaking out. Go over there and check that out. I was watching it with you guys. About 90 of you guys, 90 to 100 of you guys watched the live stream with me. And wow, I mean, this is incredible. First off, Mr. JWW did a great job. Maserati's production on this MC20 reveal was incredible. I mean, this was a real movie. This was a show. This was something that I have never seen before. And three, is everything that we saw in my video right before that I posted yesterday with the leaked spy shots. Every single thing came to light. And I mean, to see it in person is super overwhelming. That was just really cool. And what we're hearing now is that this Maserati will be in the range of $200,000, which is what I guessed. Now, wrap this around your head. The Maserati Levante Trofeo, the current model now, not the next year's model, but the current model now, is actually $180,000. So you're talking about the same level of price for the MC20, around the same level of price for the Levante Trofeo. Now, I know they're completely different cars, but that's just insane to think about. So let's talk more about this MC20 because game changer. Now, if you're wondering what 20 stands for in the MC20, well, it's the 20th year, and MC stands for Maserati Corsa. All right, so that means Maserati Racing. It's built around a central carbon fiber tub, and really, it's based off of the Alfa Romeo 4C or 6C test mule that they were using to test out the car when we first saw the rendition of this, out there with the released pictures that Maserati sent. But with that, the internal combustion version of the coupe will weigh just 3,240 pounds. Two powertrains with this, the electric model and the gasoline model, and it will debut a 90-degree V6 engine Maserati calls Nettuno, or Italian for Neptune, and the twin turbocharged 3-liter engine has over square cylinder dimensions, meaning the bore is larger than the stroke. And this engine represents a lot that you've seen from Formula One engines that use pre-chamber ignition. Now, 621 horsepower is a pretty good number with 7,500 RPM, and the V6 joined the exclusive club as one of the most potent engines ever to grace a production car. The specific output is 207.6 horsepower per liter. Now, the Nettuno revs to 8,000 RPM, and the 8-speed dual clutch transaxle feature and limited slip diff helps it out. Now, with that said, the MC20 will do 0 to 60 in less than 3 seconds and achieve a top speed of more than 202 miles per hour, which is somewhat impressive, but we know that the Ghibli can do 203 with the new Trofeo lineup. But when the EV version comes out, it will put power down to all 4 wheels and be even quicker than the gasoline-powered car. Just check out the aerodynamics of this thing. Check out the doors. The first time you have vertical doors on a Maserati, I don't want to hear that billionaire doors, joke that they did on the old Quattroporte and that one TV show where they open up the doors and saying, these are millionaire doors, I want billionaire doors to go up, etc. No more with that, okay? All right, also, this has airflow, all right, and downforce from under the car, which is why Maserati is able to make it so subtle up top. I mean, this just is really a architecture and a technology and really just so much thought into this car. It's crazy. You get driving modes like Wet, GT, Sport, Corsa, and those are available via the drive mode selector with a 5th ESC off option that disables traction control completely. And each mode adjusts things like the steering and the throttle sensitivity, as well as adaptive suspension. The double wishbone setup with active shock absorbers raises and lowers the car depending on the drive mode. Now, out of all those same features, other than the engine, obviously, carry over to the electric version, and Maserati hasn't really provided details on the battery size or charging for the electric version, but we'll have to wait and see how that turns out with European and US figures. That monocoque carbon fiber tub, I mean, really, this is going to be awesome. Coupe electric convertible. It's going to be crazy to see this thing driving on the road. I mean, the interior is awesome. Alcantara everywhere. Column paddle shifters, driving focus steering wheel, which I think they got from Alfa Romeo. We'll talk about that more later. I mean, the cabin seats, the dash, the door, All the Alcantara is stitched leather with the blue accents. It looks crazy. Then we're talking about stuff like the exterior with the new badge on it, very subtle Maserati Trident, sharp LED headlamps. They extend up to the top fenders, carbon fiber coats on the front splitter, roof side sills, the rear horizontal LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips under the license plate, large carbon fiber rear diffuser, wheels that are super sharp, and the MC20 also comes in 6 new colors. I mean, really, it's just gonna be crazy. A new white, a new yellow, a new red, a new blue, a new black, and a new gray. So this is gonna be so cool to see this thing out there on the road. And then let's not forget about the infotainment, 10.3-inch touchscreen, which is gonna run Maserati's new MIA system, which is Maserati Intelligent Assistant. All right, so that instrument cluster is going to be all new. The infotainment system is going to be more personalized than ever, and it's going to have Maserati Connect with alerts for the owner, like things to service dates, security features, accessible to the smartphones that you have and everything. But we're talking about $200,000, at least for the Maserati MC20, but I cannot stress this enough. This car is going to be a game changer. I'm so excited, guys. I'm shaking. My palms were sweaty like Eminem, Mom Spaghetti. This is just crazy. Okay, but with that said, what did you guys think about the reveal? If you watch the reveal live, or what do you guys think about the MC20? What's your favorite part of the MC20? What do you like the least? What do you hate? What just give me your thoughts down in the comments below on this car. I need to talk to you guys about this one. All right, so with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the Maserati MC20. Now with that said, in case you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and for my Venmo in case you guys want to throw $1 or $2 at the channel so I can start my Maserati MC20 fund. All right, I can save up for that. You can do that, or you can become a Patreon subscriber, or hey, get some Ron's Rides merch. The link is down there for the t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, everything like that. Make sure you guys also follow me on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram. See everything I'm posting Ron's Rides that doesn't make it to the channel. Now with that said, make sure you guys subscribe, but click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox as soon as they come out. Guys, with that said, be blessed, have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.